Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata. There are many varieties of chicken curry, but the curry that is made using freshly grinded masala is always special in taste. We are going to make one such curry, Chettinad Chicken Curry. Let's see how to make this recipe.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
First, let's roast the masala ingredients. For that, I have a pan ready on the stove. Add 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 20 dry red chillies. If you think 20 is too much, you can reduce it. Add 1.5 tablespoon of fennel, 1 tablespoon of cumin and roast it lightly. Then add 2 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 3 cinnamon, 6 cardamon, 6 cloves, 3 stone flowers and add 1 tablespoon of pepper and roast it. Also add some curry leaves and roast it. Now it's roasted nicely. Let's shift it to a plate to cool it. Next, in the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once it heats, add 1 cup of grated coconut and roast it. We should roast this until it turns to brown color. Now this coconut is also roasted nicely. Let's shift it to a plate to cool it. Masala ingredients are cooled off. Let's grind it smoother. Ground masala is ready. Let's place a cooker and add 6 tablespoons of gingerly oil.
Akka, you are using gingerly oil. Can we use peanut oil as well?
Yes, you can use it, but gingerly oil is very apt for this recipe. It gives better taste. Oil is hot now. Add half tablespoon of fennel. I have 150 grams of small onions ready. Small onions give a unique taste to this recipe. Cut into thin slices and add it to the cooker and saute it. You should saute it until it turns to golden color. With that, add some curry leaves. If you don't have small onions, use 3 medium-sized onions. Cut them into thin pieces and use it. Amu, shall we use some more salt? Salt is useful to saute nicely. Onion has roasted nicely. Now add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and continue to saute until the raw smell goes away.
Akka, it's roasted. Shall we add some tomato?
Yes, now add 3 medium-sized tomatoes cut into small pieces. Continue to saute. The tomatoes and onion should be sauteed until it's mashed nicely. Now add 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric and continue to saute until the raw smell goes away. We already used red chillies and coriander seeds while grinding masala. So now we have to use only less portion of these ingredients. Raw smell is gone. I have 1 kg chicken ready. Let's add it to the cooker. Mix it well for 2 minutes on high flame. Then add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Also add the ground masala to it. Now mix everything nicely. Mix it for 2 to 3 minutes.
Akka, it smells so aromatic now. I feel hungry now. If you make it quicker, I will just eat a mouthful and keep going.
You have to mix it quickly for the chicken to cook sooner.
If not, I am going to this fennel here and everything else. Okay?
We have rice, idiyappam to eat with. Have some patience. It has to cook right. Now add 3/4 of a liter of water. You can adjust adding or reducing depending on how thick you want the curry to be. Turn it off after 3 whistles. Now the steam has settled. Let's open and see. Did it cook well, Amu?
Yeah, it cooked nice.
Add some coriander leaves to the curry. Once we mix it, delicious Chettinad chicken curry is ready.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.